Hi everyone, my name is Sydney Francisco with Lepe Tendwell Properties, and today I'm in beautiful Otay Ranch at a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home. It has 3 levels, and the best part of all, it's currently being remodeled. So what you're about to see isn't even the finished product. Let's go take a look. Check back with us soon for a virtual tour on the finished product. And if you're interested in a private showing now, or you'd like pricing information, go ahead and comment below or direct message us.